Regional Agri Fair Plie singi ka way na ki jingelang ka bahe jong ki nong rap ki real start ka rap ka riang ki nong sengkam la jong na keleng ki jylla ka than chatay la mingi ka las dang menta ka singi College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai da ka jingang nur ban kenti wa ki nong rap ban sam ya ka jingnang jingtip bat ka jing start ha ka bedai kumno ban kenti ya ka rap ka riang ban wanra ki jingkala ha ka than chatay la mingi. Ya ka program balai silinter la pelong dekat Central Agricultural University Impal Manipur bala wanru ban Plie pada ulat ke jylla usiaj Vijaya Shankar aka jingdalang u Timothy di Shira Menteri Ketenat Garap Karyang ke jylla u Kamakya Prasad Tasa MP ke Raja Sabha Nasan u Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor ke CAU Impal Kong Trinity Sayo Kanong Shem Jong ka Yengs Cam Spice Producer Industrial Cooperative Society bat ka Padma Shri Awardee kinong rap na keleng ka than shatay la mingi ki officer ki real start ka rap karyang bat kiwe. Hakani ka program malay singi ki donru ki jingya ko prepare na do ka jingpyninam ya ki jor ki jam bat ki marrep maryang ban pen ya ke jingru spa bat ke jingkiu stat ke rap karyang ha ke than chatay la mingi kari India bat da lor ki tay ki jingya kop ki don ru kompa nyop saw tali ki dukan ni ki stall ban pen inam ya ki marrem ki tiar ke rap karyang kat kum ke juk start menta ringkat ki sembai balai pochat ki bala ban kentiu bat pen mi bon ki marrem kabalong ru kum ke jingkiang banyasam ya ka jing start ha pareng ki nongram ka than chatay la mingi kari bandon ru ka jingeday bajan. Habakran na kanika sngi na kalyang ulat ka jylla usiaj Vijaya Shankar uloong bakari India kadai ka ri babon ki nongram ha ka ba kumba 90% kidai ki nongram bat ki ba im lingpa ka kamrap ka kamriang. Uloong ru ba lada ki nongram ki kieu hakarap karyang bat kila ban kershan yalade lingba ki kamrap ki kamriang kari India ru kandang kieu habaro kiliang bat ban kentiu ki kamram ki kamriang don kam ke jingetrai lang na baro kiliang ban kentiu ki nongram.
Arunachal Pradesh, Agi tribe jacket and necklace. Legal shawl, Government of India, University of improved crop varieties and protected cultivation structures in recognition of his contributions and successful project leadership. Central Agricultural University Impal has honored him with the CAU Best Extension Professional Award 2020.
To be here at the inauguration of the Regional Agri Fair 2025-26 hosted by the Central Agricultural University Impal and College of Agriculture in this place. This gathering is not just an exhibition or a technical fair. It is a celebration of the spirit, celebration of our achievement, celebration of our contribution. And celebration, what we are going to achieve further in future, in coming days. It is a celebration of spirit of the Indian agriculture, the resilience of our farmers, and the growing potential of the north-eastern region. Majority of we people who are sitting here also, we are all from rural background. I am not only the man from rural background, I am coming from the agriculture family also. During our younger days, we know it very well. farmers never used to bring seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and agriculture inputs or equipments from the outside, that too from city. During our younger days, we never bring seeds from city. We do not know what is fertilizer by that time. We do not know what is pesticides during our younger days. After I joined degree, first year degree course, when I have taken admission, by that time my father told, you need not go to field. You need not cultivate the land. We take care of your education. Till then, I used to go to field. I used to cultivate the land. That too from cities. Those days, agriculture was totally independent. And also, you are able to see cottage industries. Some of the cottage industries we are able to see here also. Cottage industries, in the sense, agro-based rural industries. Agro-based rural industries. In each and every village, not only one village, each and every village across India, including hamlet village, 6,70,000 villages are there in the country. Probably 10% we can exclude. Rest of the, not less than 80% of the village. One side agriculture, a village in the sense, one side agriculture. The other side, cottage industries. You are able to see in each and every village. From cottage industries to small scale industries to national level to multinational level. What was the fate of the cottage industry? Totally vanished. In that way, we have to think very seriously. Agriculture producers and rural industries are always interrelated. They support each other. In the sense, those days, village life was self-sufficient. Those days, you take the history of 30 years, 40 years, 50 years back, each and every village was totally self-sufficient. They did not bring anything from the city. तब ग्रामीण जीवन स्वावलंबी था, नगर जीवन परावलंबी था. Now you see the situation. Now ग्रामीण जीवन परावलंबी हो गया, नगर जीवन स्वावलंबी हो गया. It is not at all good in taste. Overall, the development of the nation.